guys, welcome back to Zenda Dreams, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Today we're taking a look at benefits of starting an online business. Starting an online business has plenty of advantages. Some of the main benefits of starting an online business are to make money, of course, but to also create brand awareness and customer engagement. First things first, you will have low startup and operating costs. One of the biggest reasons entrepreneurs and small business owners start online businesses is the minimal startup costs and the overall low operating costs. Having no physical storefront or warehouse tremendously cuts down on your overhead. You can simply have the product you sell shipped directly to the customers from an outsourced supplier, also known as dropshipping. This can mean that you may not always need to have your inventory in hand. Instead, you can have the products held by suppliers who do the heavy work for you. Some of the main costs you'll have upfront would be the creation of your new business name, domain name, logo, design, and website. Some of the other costs that you may incur monthly to keep your online business running would be your internet, website maintenance, unless you're using platforms that make it easier for you like Shopify, or your advertising and marketing. These monthly costs are significantly lower when running an online business and serve as an overall investment into your business. The other benefit for starting an online business is the potential of having a large clientele and customer base. Inevitably, having an online business can mean reaching an unlimited amount of customers and clients worldwide. Nowadays, everyone enjoys the convenience of being able to open up their phone or computer to make a purchase. An online e-commerce business enables consumers to browse your online store or shop your physical products and services easily. Whatever online store that you run, an e-commerce site can bring in massive traffic. Consumers browsing your online store can convert into sales. With the proper advertising and marketing strategies, you can easily make sales conversions and create returning customers. Implementing product and service reviews also allows potential customers to read a review on a product that they are interested in, which can be beneficial to your business, whether good or bad. Social media serves as free advertising for your business, and it's important to have a prominent social media presence. If a celebrity I like posts about a product, I can just click on the link if it's there and just make my purchase. Everything is easy and just a click away. One other benefit is that there's a potential for high scalability. Your client base and potential customer reach are boundless when running an online business. Having a physical storefront forces you to depend on your business's location and visibility to thrive. However, with an online business, you are not limited to selling products to individuals walking or driving past your store, but you can reach clients all over the world. You will be leveraging the online world right at your fingertips by having an online business. This doesn't mean that you can scale higher volumes overnight. It takes time and proper advertising and marketing, but the potential is extremely massive. One other benefit of becoming an entrepreneur with an online business is that you have the freedom to work from anywhere. You have the freedom of working anywhere at any time. Having a set schedule can be incredibly mundane, and it can dramatically decrease your creativity levels. However, when you have an online business, you can easily sit down at a restaurant, have a nice little coffee with a croissant on the side, pull out your laptop and manage your business. But it's important also, as an entrepreneur with freedom to work anywhere, to be disciplined and successfully balance freedom and responsibility. This is how your online business and personal life will thrive. The other benefit of running an online business is that marketing is made easy for you. Any business takes effort, but it also takes strategy to thrive. Reaching a global audience is easier than it sounds, and by having an online business, you can market by optimizing your website and utilizing search engine optimization, social media marketing, and email marketing. You can learn all of this simply through the internet. Hiring a marketing team or starting an affiliate program is one of the best investments you may take on with an online business, because affiliate marketing on social media accounts is easy to gain a presence. You can use social media to post your products and build rapport with your target audience, which you can then convert into customers. And any customer will repost something that they like. Running an online business allows you to give quality customer service and support. It allows you to answer customer queries and concerns in a timely fashion. And having the luxury of the internet at your fingertips means quickly getting alerted on business notifications and providing customer support. This could be anything from inquiries, queries, complaints, and questions. It also allows you the opportunity to create a frequently asked questions page, which you will constantly use as reference for your customers' concerns. An online business offers you a potential of a promised job security. When you train yourself to become an online business owner, you are preparing for a promised job security because you will learn skills that will stick even if your first business fails. Online business models are a thing now, and a lot of people have built brands from these online businesses. A perfect example is companies like Amazon, Shopify, fashion brands like Boohoo or Pretty Little Thing. These online businesses have proven that running an online business can be highly lucrative, and there's a massive market for online shopping. Once you learn the skills you need and make the first few sales, you will see that having an online business means you can make money in your sleep. And who doesn't want to make money while we're sleeping? I think we can all agree that waking up to those Shopify notifications will literally make your day, because that's money into your bank account. As you guys can see, there are many benefits to starting an online business. It is a lucrative business once done correctly. Failing can also be part of the process, but the more you learn, the better you become. And the skills that you will learn along the way are invaluable. If you want job security, freedom, and creativity, starting an online business will be one of the best investments you can make for yourself. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you guys next time.